Okay, this is a bonus recording of the Stock Trade Genius members, this Genius Society members that we have, get updates on our Genius indicator going negative or positive. And we're going to give you a bonus today if you're not a Genius Society member, just so you can see what we're doing. Throwing out a couple of recommendations for you. The market is yellow, and if you look at our market timing indicator, you'll see it's yellow. It's almost red, but we had a save day today where we had an upside reversal. It's still not out of the woods. It could turn red tomorrow or the next day, but we're still in a yellow condition. Yellow condition means sell a lot of your winners, tighten up your stops, get rid of some of your losers, and if you want to hedge, it's a good time to buy and sell at the same time. That way, if the market goes up, you make money on that side, you lose a little money on the short, but hopefully not as much because you're going to be shorting the weaker ones, and then vice versa. So let's take a look at some of the stocks that came up on our screens today. Here are the two long ones. Monster Beverage is long. It's you can see that there is a support level here and a resistance level here, and it's trading right in between those. And it's just bouncing off of its 10-week moving average, that red line there. Genius indicator is popping through the zero line, so we think it's a positive thing for Monster Beverage. Mylan Labs, pharmaceuticals company, Mylan Labs, Mylan Inc., very poor relative strength. This is the relative strength line compared to the S&P 500. It's lost a lot of its average volume, and it's coming down. It did do a little bit of a bounce off the 10-week moving average, the red line there. This is not showing a lot of strength. It's just showing barely enough on the Genius indicator to get us positive on the screen, but if we had other choices, we would probably choose them because this is not that strong yet. We'd want to see a nice strong up week on good volume. All right, the ones on the other side are some in the construction industry. This is Fastenal. They make fasteners. You can see there's about 10 weeks in a row of negative parabolic SAR, those gray brownish dots there. And then you had a big volume day today, or a big volume week, I should say, and it broke down through the 10-week, and it's testing that 40-week moving average. If it goes below that, look out. Here's the upside of it. It's there's resistance there, and there is support down here in this level. We think that's where it's going to be heading. Genius indicator says that is where it's going to be heading. Lowe's, another construction company. This one is now the red line's below the black line, which just means the 10-week moving average is below the 40-week moving average. That's not a golden cross, it's a death cross. Death cross means, hey, look out below because things are starting to happen. It's in the middle of a consolidation range, and you can see it's not completely convinced it's going down yet, according to the Genius indicator, but that relative strength is coming down. So this stock, we think, is in a little bit of trouble, just like we think the construction industry might be in a little bit of trouble as well. Now, this one really is shaping up. Even though it's in the middle of a pretty good consolidation, it's broken through the 10-week moving average, and this is moving definitively down. And you can see that when it moves definitively down, there's some momentum behind it. Look at that relative strength heading straight down as well. So EQT, which is in the oil and gas business and has had a beautiful run since this golden cross here, is now having a little bit of trouble. And then finally, let me give you the last one. The last one is Harley-Davidson, HOG. And you can see that strong move down, kind of medium move on the S&P. It's just kind of following along with what the S&P is doing. But it's got 4 weeks that it's kind of got a negative bent on it. It's down below its 10-week moving average. It's testing its 40. And if it breaks below that 40, that is where you're going to start seeing some problems. Let's put a resistance level on here just to kind of see where things might go to. We think it might go to that level right in there, and it's about $60.38. And that's a support level, and then the resistance level is up in that area, still in the middle of the consolidation. But if the market goes red, this thing is headed down to at least $60, and then it could the next level after that is right here, where there's some there's a little bit of support there, and that level is about $49. So this could be a decent move up here from the top all the way down to the bottom of this consolidation, this support area. Okay, those are the 6 recommendations that we have for our Genius Society members. That means that on those short ones, you can go short, the Fastenal, the Lowe's, the EQT, and the HOG. And then on the long side, that's Monster Beverage and Mylan. You can go long, kind of hedge those positions, and take one of them off if you're wrong, or both of them off if you're wrong, and see if you can make money in this yellow market where things don't trend one way or the other.